Hey everyone, once you get proficient at doing crisscrosses with both arms, either you're right over top like that or you're left over top like that, you can try to do a side swing crisscross in combination with those moves. So for example here, I'm going to do the left arm over top crisscross and then I'm going to go into a side swing. Watch this. Okay. Try the opposite arm too. Right arm over left like this, and then into a side swing cross. Okay. Okay, really fun combination. I'm getting ready to do some running around this running track, but I brought my jump rope and I wanted to warm up by skipping rope first. And today I'm using the cross rope, half-pound rope, which is also very good for fatiguing the upper body before a run. So you'd be amazed if you do long distance running and you have your hands, your arms in this running motion, arms typically bent at about a 90-degree angle. Over time, that can become quite fatiguing. So in the past, when I trained for some marathons and ultra marathons, I actually used cross ropes, half-pound rope, and even their heavier ropes, their 1-pound rope and the 2-pound rope, to work out my arms, get both a cardiovascular workout in and an upper body shoulder workout using the ropes. Especially when you start using the heavier cross ropes, the 1-pound rope, the 2-pound rope, they also really engage your grip and your forearms. So they can be a great tool in preparation for even running events.